This video will show you how to use database tools to cite, share, and download articles. When you find an article you want to use, Academic Search Complete can help you cite it. Here's how. Select the title of the article to open its article record. Once in the article record, you'll see some icons near the title. These icons represent tools you can use. Hover your mouse over the icon to see the icon's label. This quotation mark icon represents Cite. Select it and you can retrieve a pre-made APA or MLA citation of the article. Select your citation style from the drop-down menu, then select Copy to Clipboard. You can then paste your citation wherever it needs to go. As always, check the accuracy of this auto-generated citation. The sideways arrow icon represents sharing the article directly from the database. Click here if you want to share the article with your instructor or classmates. You can directly email it, copy a permalink to it, or upload a copy of the full text to your Google Drive or OneDrive and share it through there. The downward arrow icon represents downloading the full text of an article. If available, you can download the full text of the article and save it to your device. So there are lots more tools here to be discovered. Databases do update occasionally, so there may be new tools and features available that didn't make it into this video. Feel free to explore on your own or ask a librarian for recommendations. We are happy to help you with using Academic Search Complete and with all your research needs.